friend. It's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And we just finished constructing this giant octopus for Pirate Week here in Tinkerland. And we wanted to show you how you can make your own octopus craft at home. Come on. All you'll need is some construction paper, and we'll take a piece like this. I like the color yellow. And then we'll take this and we'll cut some strips just like this. There we go. And now you'll take one strip like this and make a ring, just like this. And we'll take a piece of tape and just tape it right here so that we make one ring. And then we're gonna make a chain. So we take another one and put it through here, wrap it around the top, and tape it again. Oops. There we go. And we just keep adding more and more rings all the way around. Perfect. This one's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chain links long. Now we just need 8 of these so that we can make an octopus. These are our 8 tentacles for our octopus, and now we just need to make the head. Just take some more construction paper, we'll place it down here, and we'll draw our face. So we'll start down here and bring it up. And then we'll draw some eyebrows, and then some under eyes, and we'll complete the eyebrows like this. There we go. Perfect. Now we can cut this out with our scissors. You can have a grown-up help you cut this out. Now that we have our head of our octopus, we can attach all the tentacles. And the way I like to attach it is to take one of the chains and fold it like this. So tape, turn it over, and then just attach the tentacle right here. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's our super cool octopus. I love how they're really flexible, so you can bend them around, and you could even hang this. We'll take our string and just cut a piece that's a couple feet long, and then we'll take a piece of tape like this, and we'll just tape it to the top of our octopus, right on the back of its head right here. You can hang it in your room or in a window. There we go. Now you could leave it like this, but let's hang all of the tentacles up too. Wow, look at our cool octopus. He's hanging and spread all around. And if you have a pirate ship toy or you made one out of cardboard, you can add it in and wrap the tentacles around. Now, if you want to make some giant paper chains like this, all you have to do is cut your paper in thirds. So we'll just cut it right down long ways. Make sure it's long ways like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this way, when you roll them into rings, they'll be really, really big. Tape it, and then just keep going until we've got a super long jumbo chain like this. And to make our octopus head, instead of using one piece of paper like this, we'll use 4 pieces of paper like this, and we'll tape them together on the back. When we flip it over, we can draw our face. Perfect. And then we can cut this out. And you can just glue it to a piece of cardboard if you want it to be a lot stronger like this. And now we can attach our tentacles just like before. Whoa, look at this. How awesome. I love our giant octopus. I love the cool tentacles we made. They're very flexible. And it turned out so cool. Whether you make a really, really big one like this, or a smaller one like we made over here, just get out there and make something of your own. Or if you want to make something really big and creative like this out of cardboard, give it a try. Well, it's time for us to go now, but I hope you'll come back and visit us here in Tinkerland real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend. Happy building. Oh, that's a great idea, Bill.
There's lots more ocean creature crafts over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel, where we're making jellyfish, crabs, fish, and sea turtles that you can make at home. Plus, get ready to see Tinker and Bill as they build a giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and construct their own pirate island in the Tinkerland Park. It all leads up to our brand new Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.